We are Kopar. Here in Finland, we design, manufacture, and assemble most of our solutions and equipment. Kopar Group is an innovative supplier of heavy-duty material handling systems, especially made for demanding conditions. When there's a need to efficiently transport various materials through industrial processes, you can rely on Kopar's experienced professionals. Our key to success comes from combining the latest technology with our vast experience in the field. We are passionate about creating tailor-made end-to-end solutions for our clients' needs. And it all starts with good design. The tougher it gets, the better we are. From hot concentrates to corrosive chemicals and dusty ashes, the key is to know which solution is best suited to which environment. Kopar is the leading expert in hot and abrasive conditions. This expertise is based on decades of hard work and know-how. It's something that cannot be achieved easily. By taking part in all aspects of assembly and commissioning, we can guarantee every delivery will be on time. It is our passion to help you make your operation more profitable and more reliable. We at Kopar always aim for solutions that are both extremely durable and very efficient to run and maintain. We believe that the true performance level of your business is measured by getting the most out of the least. We also offer complete maintenance services if you need them. So please, don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to finding solutions for your challenges, no matter how demanding they are.